Hey, Tech Guide Ninjas here. Hope you're having a good day today. So today we're looking at how to add an overlay to pictures and videos in Canva. If you like the video, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel and let me know in the comments if you got value from this video. Right, to start with, open up your Canva account. There, we're going to click on Create in the top left-hand corner, and we're going to choose a video. So then we're going to start to create our overlay. First, we'll start with a picture. So I'm going to look on the left-hand side and choose a photo. So let's have a look. So let's choose something like a snowy scene. So I'm just going to elongate the picture a little bit. Now we're going to add a video overlay. So again, I'm going to go to the left-hand side and look at the videos. And we want something like snow to add over the top. So I'm just going to type in snow. And there's tons of free videos I can use here, or if you've got a pro account, there's way more. So I'm just going to choose one of these. So I like the look of this one. So I'm going to click to drag it on to my photo. Then I'm going to make it as large as the photo. And I'm just going to bring the video over the top of the photo. So again, I can just make the photo a little bit longer. Then what we want to do, we want to adjust the transparency so we can still see the photo. So I'm going to click on the video, and then the transparency is this little tab here. So I'm going to click on that and lower the transparency to about... So you just want to see the snow falling, but you still want to be able to see the picture. So you can check it out each time to see if it's how you like. So I'm going to click on play. And I quite like that. As you can see the snow falling and you can see the photo behind. So now let's try out with a video. And then we'll add some snow on top. So I'm just going to delete the photo. And then I'm going to find something like car driving in winter. So let's see what I get. Okay. And let's see if we can find something like a car driving in a snowy scene. So what about this one? So we're going to add that on. Again, I'm going to make the video a little bit longer if it'll go a bit longer. Or I can just make the snow scene a little bit shorter so they match together. Let's have a look. Maybe want to reduce that transparency just a little bit more on this one. And there we go. So we've got the snowy scene with the cars driving. If you don't like that, you can change out either the snow or the driving scene. So let me put a different driving scene in and see if it looks any better. So maybe try this one. Oh no, this one's a bit better. So this is a car driving in the snow. So you can actually see the white background. So let's see how that looks. Just going to press play again. Maybe want to increase the transparency just a little bit, just so I can see the snow a bit more. Let's see how this looks. Yeah, that looks a little bit better. So you can see the snow, see the car driving, and it looks like a pretty cool scene. So that's it for today. I hope that was helpful. Please like the video and subscribe. I will see you soon.